This is the kind of truck I want to drive.
Oh, God, here we go, a truck. Hey, you could have been that damn truck you like to pet on. That shit's too big for you. This little short woman wants to get in this big-ass vehicle. Yeah, you think people are going to look at her funny when this shit gets out of that shit? She can't even reach the... She couldn't even... Baby, you can't even, like, climb into that vehicle. You're too short. That vehicle's too high for you. The fuck? Look, you're a short little thing, and you're trying to climb that... Look at this. That thing is huge. It's like David versus Goliath, baby. It really is. It's not even a fair match. That bitch is baby. That thing is like a fucking monster truck, and you're like a little micro machine. Is that what they call a micro machine?
I want to drive that.
Micro machine, right?
I want to drive that.
Yeah, I know you want to drive that shit. I'm afraid too.
I want to drive that. And that one's smaller, but I want that one.